Ladies and gentlemen, Jay Haft here on location, on the table on the front porch. Decided to do something different. I know there's a lot of mechanics out there and maintenance men and stuff like that. I just want to see how my tool bag rates for quality and tools and stuff like that. So I'm going to go through them kind of quick, but it's going to be fun. Thank you. All right, Jay here. This is a nice SK. It's a multi-tool stuff. Wire stripper, crimper, cutter. Really cool set of SK adjustable pliers. What's really cool about these is look at the size of the teeth on those there. Those are nice. They grip them for like pipe or something, and it has like a star in the holder if you get something to grip something on there. And then there's this SK knife here. This is just a regular straight blade knife. This comes in handy for weird shit, but there it is, the SK adjustable screwdriver. I showed this when I did the SK thing. You pull on the bottom here. You have your bits, interchangeable. And the nice part is, it's ratcheting, folks. Tights. Okay, this is a voltage tester. Okay, I turn this on. Make sure I always turn it on, and then you can check to see if there's 110 volts or so. Because what you want to do is you want to trip the breaker. Sometimes when you just turn the switch off, it still runs through. So get yourself one of these. Another nice screwdriver with different bits and stuff. It's not a ratcheting one, but okay. The roll of black tape, you always need that. Hatchet work. A small pair of channel locks. These are kind of different. These are made by Channel Lock. Made in USA. I bought these at Roman sale this year. They're cheap. Small pair of vice grips. Flashlight, small one. I always keep a big one. Door stop. This comes in handy for when you got like a long cart, you got something on it, and it's impossible to hold the door open. You can scratch the door or wreck it. Door stop. Little things but make a difference. Okay. So we got, I have 2 door stops. I have 3 door stops. Okay, another roll of, this is a pipe tape for our plumbing. Okay, and then a small set of Mac cutters here. It's amazing on stuff. And then here's a really nice piece. This is a Knipex water pump pliers or channel lock type thing, adjustable. Slide on there. This is another one by Knipex, but a smaller one. Okay. Move around. Okay. So now we have this a big heavy-duty pair of scissors that I got picked up. Those are nice. You have good tools. It's so much nicer when you're working. A small vice grip, a long nose vice grip. A medium-sized vice grip. Small set of Allen wrenches, and then we got a pen, and then I got a pretty nice set of Craftsman. This is a Craftsman, American made. Okay, so now we go into here. Okay, so we got a really nice set of Knipex wire cutters or cutters. They're long. You really get good grip on those. Okay, this is kind of an interesting set of SK pliers. It's got a round. Move back and forth, but it's got the round. It's actually like rectangle angle. Here's my Tesla light for 12 volts. A little mini bar for working on small stuff. You got to try to save what you can. Okay. And then I got a couple cable ties, small file, and these are nice steel, stainless steel brushes. They're not that much. But, okay, there's a pair of Mac long nose. Regular screwdriver. This is kind of something I bought off the internet. It's kind of different. It's got like 8-in-1 thing. It's got, you fold it up and it's got this little thing to unleash it, loosen it up, and then you got all your different types of strippers, cutters, pliers, you name it. It's at every kitchen sink thing. Okay, pair of putty knife. You're gonna need that for something. This is a nice Milwaukee wiring tool. It's a cutter and mainly stripper, but it's small and handy. There's a small to medium size Phillips. Okay, so now we're gonna go to this side. And we got a magnet in case you drop something. As you get older, that happens. Toothbrush, cleaning out air conditioners or whatever. Sheetrock knife, a pen, and a small screwdriver, which comes in super handy. I'm gonna put all this stuff back. I got 3 more pens, and then we got this is a nice knife from SK, and you get storage for more blades in the top on here. Real satisfied with this knife. I like it. Another pair. This is like scissors too. It's a different style. That's okay. So now we get tape measure, Milwaukee. This is a small set of Allen wrenches with the ball ends, and then another knife, which I thought we really wouldn't need. I got it there. And usually I bring like a whole, there's a whole set of metric sockets. Even though a lot of this old American stuff on there, there's a nice, really cool SK crescent wrench with the actual markings in millimeters and then in inches, or SAE standard, whatever you want to call them. Okay, so I'm just going to grab and pull these out as I go. A couple of Phillips screwdrivers, a ratchet. I think this one is a. This is for fixing screens. You always need that as maintenance man. Some duct tape, but that's the black duct tape. This is a tester for electrical to go up way past what I need. A nice nut driver, and this is the one that fits on the most of the hose clamps too. It's 5/16. A couple more of those. Nut drivers. Another American-made crescent wrench, and then this here is if you can see on it, it's it feels loose. It's like a pick. It's got a sharp end on it. It's handy for some stuff. Then for my ratchets and socket, I got an extension with a swivel on. Long nose, a long SAE. Real nice, real super thin bar for getting in the. Each tool has its own ups and downs. This here is for pulling out in a bathtub the drain on the bottom. Put this in and it locks in to your drain. A small SAE crescent wrench. And then a small hammer, because we got so much weight in here now. We have a hammer pit. I'm thinking, is that it? No. A 1/4-inch ratchet, even though I don't have any 1/4-inch sockets in there. I think I'm going to leave that out. Double check on everything. So there it is, folks. This is a Welkin Lands bag. I'm real happy with it. Got it off Amazon. It's $86. Well worth the money. And I just want to share with you. Let me know if I'm missing something for being a maintenance guy, or some other tools that I should put in here, or some I should take out and stuff. Because it's sometimes if you don't have the right tool, you do a lot of walking. All right, thanks, folks.